Welcome to my channel. This is Kendy Jane, and today I'm coming with you because we had a special little sneak peek. But first I want to let you know that I didn't forget about that giveaway video. It will be coming up later tonight. It's for September and I have two different gifts, so two prizes. So we will have two winners in September, so make sure you are subscribed so you can get in on this giveaway. Today, Joseph showed us some more pictures of this PUR Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. As you can see, it has 6 eyeshadows, a mirror, highlighters, bronzers, and a blush. So it's kind of hard to tell the tones and colors in this. On the swatches, you can see we have some neutral tones, a blue in there. It looks like a pinky orange color, so I don't want to guess at these shades. Some of the swatches look like they may be metallic-y looking shades. I hope there is some mattes in that 6 colors, but you know, you can always use the face side of the palette as eyeshadows also. Don't forget that. A highlight can be used to highlight your brow bone and your inner corner. So, but we have, like I said, the 6 shadows. It looks like there's a brown, a blue, and like a orangey color. So we'll just have to see when we get the palette. The pictures I got off of Facebook were really bad. I don't know how he streams that on, but the quality is just really low. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you didn't see my prior video with all 3 sneak peeks for October, I will list it above. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. It really helps me out. And until next time, bye!